As you can hear behind me, the work doesn't stop. We're gonna take you through the next steps to get this home move-in ready. Now here's a piece that most homeowners never see. They never see their home married together. Right here, you're probably wondering what this is right here in front of me. This is actually gonna be removed. This is only here for support while they're marrying the two halves together. You have the A half and you have the B half. And the marriage line goes all the way down the middle where you're marrying those two sections together. And what you're gonna see is that there's screws, bolts going through the marriage line of the home, down below, as well as in the roof. And these screws are staggered. So you have a screw on the A half, then the B half, A half, and B half all the way down. So they're alternating on sides that's biting into that wood. Marrying the home together is a crucial step to ensuring its structural integrity. Now let's head outside and take a look underneath the home. In part one of the series, we went over what it takes to prep the lot and transport the home on its space. After we transported the home and dropped it off, what they did is they jacked up the home to give it some support, took off the wheels and the axles, and then they put down this vapor barrier over this road base. And this vapor barrier prevents moisture from coming under the home, and you could get mold. You also have vapor barrier under the belly of the home. And then they put these pads. You have two different types of pads. You have this wood treated lumber pad, and then you also have this composite pad, which is really strong. And these are the piers, and the piers bolt down into the pads. And then there's also an earthquake bracing system that locks onto the pier as well as the frame of the home. So if there's an earthquake and there's any jolting or shifting, or if the home lifts up and then slams back down, the piers are gonna go with the home. So you're not gonna have piers going through the floorboards like you did back in the day in the old mobile homes. So this is something that's required in the state of California. In the manufacturer's installation manual, it actually tells you how many piers and how far apart those piers need to be. So once you install the home, then it's ready to get signed off by either HCD, the Department of Housing and Community Development Inspector, and then you're ready for the next steps. As you can see, as we get down here, this concrete is actually poured a few inches underneath the home. This way the skirting doesn't drop down to dirt where it could get wet and a lot of moisture. It just drops straight onto the concrete, and it's going to last much longer. We're only 4 to 6 weeks from getting this home move-in ready. Make sure you stay tuned for the final walkthrough. If you're new to the channel, we appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. Our goal is to help you save time and money when buying a new or pre-owned manufactured home, mobile home, or tiny home. We're going to be taking you through this 5-part series of installing a brand new manufactured home. Stay tuned.